Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about what is the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law states that whenever current carrying conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the 2 points, or the Ohm's law identifies the relationship between the voltage and current and resistance. Ohm's law states that in an electrical circuit, the current passing through the most materials is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across them. Means the voltage is directly proportional to the current is directly proportional to the voltage, or I is equal to V into 1 by R. Here 1 by R is called ohmic resistance. So I equal to V by R. There are three forms of Ohm's law: I equal to V by R, or V equal to I into R, or resistance equal to V by I. Here I equal to current, V equal to voltage, and R equal to resistance. Now Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. Here I equal to current, V equal to voltage, and R equal to resistance. V equal to voltage. Voltage means that a potential difference between the 2 points is called as a voltage. The units of the voltage is volts. The next one is current. The current is the flow of electronics. The flow of electronics is called current. And while voltage refers to the electrical pressure of a circuit, current or amperes refers to the electrical flow of circuit. The current is flow of electronics is called as a current. The units of the current is amperes. The next one is resistance. The resistance is to oppose the flow of electrons, to oppose the current. The units of the resistance is ohms, and the resistance is depends upon the length of the wire and area of the cross-sectional area of the wire. So R equal to rho L by A. Resistance depends upon the length and area. So R is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. So R equal to rho into L by A. So here rho is equal to resistivity of wire, R equal to resistance, L is equal to length of the wire, A equal to cross-section area of the wire. So R equal to I equal to V by R, V equal to I into R equal to V by I. Here I equal to current, V equal to voltage, R equal to resistance. I is equal to current. Current means the flow of electrons is called as a current. Or V equal to the potential difference between the 2 points is called as a voltage. Suppose the flow of current is called as a resistance. The units of the resistance is ohms, and the units of the voltage is volts. Units of the current is amperes. For example, applying the Ohm law in electrical circuits, the circuit is the voltage is 220 volts and the resistance is 4 ohms. To find the current value, current I equal to V by R. So I equal to V equal to 20 volts by resistance R 4 ohms equal to the current value is 5 amperes. The second circuit consists of voltage value. To find the voltage value, given the current value is 1 ohms, 1 amperes, the resistance value is 12 ohms. To find the voltage value, voltage V equal to I into R. So I value is 1 amperes and R value is 12 ohms. So finally the voltage value is 12 volts. And the third circuit is the resistance value. To find the resistance value, given the voltage value is 6 volts and the current value is 3 ohms. So R equal to V by I. So R equal to V by I, V value is 6 volts and I value is 3 amperes. The final resistance value is 2 ohms. Here the multiple and submultiple units of the voltage and current and resistance. Units of the voltage, there are basic units of the voltage is, the basic unit of the voltage is volts. The multiple units are kilovolts and megavolts and millivolts and microvolts. Next one, the unit of the units of the current, the basic unit of the current is amperes, indicated by A, and submultiple units of the current is milliamperes, microamperes. The next one is unit of the resistance. The basic unit of the resistance is ohm. The multiple unit of resistance is kilo ohms and mega ohms. Okay. Actually, the relation Ohm's law states that I is directly proportional to V, and one more statement is the relationship between the to identify the relationship between the voltage and current and resistance. The relation is linear relation. The Ohm's law formula is I equal to V by R state that V and I are directly proportional to for any one value of R. So, for example, when V is constant, V value voltage value constant, the current is decreased when the resistance is increases, and I is increases and R value decreases. For example, if the R value is doubles, R value is for example 2 or it is I is reduced to by half. R is reduced to 1 by half. I is increased by 4. This is a phenomenon is called as a inverse relationship. The relationship between the voltage and current is linear relationship. The linear portion between the V and I. When a linear resistance is constant, value of ohm, it R does not change with the applied voltage. So V and I is directly proportional.